So guys, ah, we failed to go to Bontok today, so here is my bag. We are now in our high-rise granary here in Sitio Fangorao. So we are now going home cause there's the jeepney. I don't know. The jeepney uh went to Bontok too early. I think it went to Bontok uh 12 sharp 12 because I came here 12:30 and there's no jeepney up until today, which is 1:47, and the rain is already there. Outfit check. This is my outfit today. This is my outfit today. But no jeepney. So sige. So yeah, our plan are not meant to be. So I'll just quick show you the Maliko moisturizers on different angle. This is it. So actually we need to hurry because the rain is coming now. I hope we will not be caught by the rain. Caught? Don't know. I don't know the English word. So, my plan on going to Bontok today is for me to go and go to the shoemakers or shoe knitters. Let them knit my shoe, because my running shoes, because it was already damaged. Actually, my running shoe was you. Actually, my running shoe was just it's a waste. I can put it on the garbage, but as a garbage on a garbage can. But I'll try to go and see in the Bontok on shoe maker or shoe repairer if they can repair it. And of course, my other plan was to go to MPSU or Mountain Province State University and get my TOR and transfer credentials. But yeah, our plan didn't go well. So I just left my bag in our rice granary. So I think I will go to Bontoc on Monday because tomorrow is Saturday. I don't know if the school is open that hour tomorrow, but we will go on a sure day. So I will prefer going to Bontoc on Monday because today is Friday. My original plan was if I successfully get my TOR today, then by Sunday I'll be traveling to Baguio. But yeah. Actually, a while ago it was very hot. That's why my white t-shirt is already all of this part are wet up into my back. They are all wet because of my what do you call that? I don't know the English word. I forgot the English word of that. So can you rate my outfit today? This going to this